Hello everyone! We'll be visiting the Hershey's Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we'll be staying in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. This is part 1 of 2. Come and join us. Enjoy! We arrived here at Home2 Suites by Hilton in Ephrata. Okay, so let's go check out the room. Once we entered the room, we noticed it was really a large room. It's very spacious, and there's a double room, and also there's a large bathroom. We enjoyed our stay here. There's a dishwasher and soap, a microwave, and this is the refrigerator and the freezer. We enjoyed the complimentary breakfast at Home2 Suites by Hilton. Hershey, Pennsylvania is often called the sweetest place on earth due to its deep connection to Hershey's chocolate. This town was founded by Hershey Chocolate Company, and the town has a rich history tied to the chocolate industry. Many people associate Hershey, Pennsylvania with Hershey's Chocolate World and Amusement Park, Hershey Park, and the sweet atmosphere that Milton Hershey created when he developed this town to support factory workers and their families. Hershey's chocolate. We're arriving at Hershey's Chocolate World. It is a popular visitor center and attraction located in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Hershey's Chocolate World offers an interactive experience where visitors can learn about the history of Hershey's chocolate, the chocolate making process, and even create their own custom chocolate products. Milton Hershey. Going into the free Chocolate World Tour. In this timeline, in 1973, Reese's was acquired by Hershey's, and in 1977, Y&S Candies was also acquired by Hershey's, which owned the Twizzlers candy. It takes 270 cocoa beans to make 1 pound of chocolate. Hershey's roasted almonds come from sunny California. It's Milton Hershey. We are now on the Chocolate Factory tour ride. This tour is free and it's interactive and family friendly.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to do your job today, and I can't wait to show you around. Experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique.
Cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
The world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumb.
Smell it?
Yeah, that's a lot of milk.
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
The rollers smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid.
And cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send them all of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special time.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. Smile.
Time to go share some goodness.
Philadelphia.
Wherever you go, no matter how far, you're always near a Hershey bar. Hershey, the sweetest place on earth. This is Hershey's Unwrapped. It is an interactive, family-friendly chocolate tasting journey. They provide you a chocolate tasting kit where you can use your 5 senses: see, touch, hear, smell, and taste the chocolate. Right next door to Hershey's Chocolate World is Hershey's Chocolate Town. Let's go check it out. This is Hershey Park. This is a popular amusement park in Hershey, Pennsylvania. It was originally founded by Milton Hershey in 1906 as a leisure park for his employees. Today it features over 70 rides, including 14 roller coasters, a water park, and a zoo. This is the Hershey Park Supply Company. It is the flagship store for Hershey Park, and it has Hershey-themed merchandise, souvenirs, and gifts. We're now heading into the Great Candy Expedition. It is a train-themed journey in different Hershey worlds, at where the audience can choose which way to go. Stay tuned for part 2 as we take a train ride around Hershey, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching.